Hey y'all, it's a beautiful day here. And because it's a beautiful day, that's a good day to lay down some primer on the side skirts for the Prelude. So what we're gonna do is, you guys already saw last video of me scuffing these down, and I'm going to do a light coat and then let it sit for a bit, put another coat on, and then we're gonna get to it. Catch you guys in a sec. Thought I'd start trying out different camera angles, but this is coat number 1.
Something on your EBT is big with Z. Treat them other girls like Easy E. You my beautiful girl, you my soulful gal. Girl rises when I pull up when the sun goes down. Slim waist, thick thighs, how you getting them jeans? Virgo season, girl, do you really know what that means? You know, girl, I'm choosy, yeah, I'm choosy. Mixing hand aid with the deuce. Everyone in the club on a Tuesday, but we can break out, girl, what you say? You ain't even really gotta be my girlfriend. I just wanna know, yo.
Okay, so we got just about 2 coats on there. The second one was heavier, so everything's nice and uniform. I'm gonna drag it a little bit further into the sun so it could dry. Then we're gonna hit it with some 2000, and I think I'm gonna run out of sunlight here, so we have to continue this tomorrow. But this is good progress so far. We're doing pretty well. Alright, so I hope I have enough left in the can. It's probably about halfway done. It's gonna be tight, but I got the front lip and the rear lip out. I decided I had enough sunshine left over. Why not do it? I already knocked out 2. I can knock out the other 2 in the same amount of time. Prepping for paint, we'll do that a different day. But yeah, I hope I scuffed these down enough. I think I did, but we'll see. So y'all pray for me. Let's see how this goes. All right, sorry y'all about not taking as much recording as I wanted to. I goofed up. I went and bought the wrong primer for my second can because I completely ran out in my first can. I thought that that'd be enough for four pieces, but these are coming out pretty well. I don't know what that is. I'm hoping that yeah, but they're coming out pretty swanky. So now I'm gonna put these up for the night, and honestly, a little bit of light sanding, and these will be ready for paint. Hope maybe tomorrow. All right, you guys, it's a new day. I'm a little nervous here because I can't mess up from here on out. We're spraying paint now. I took my time. I got these out the next day. I did sanding a little bit with 1500 to get it nice and smooth. There's still like imperfections on the bottom, but I'm not worried about that because that's gonna be under the bottom of the car. You're not gonna see it. And yeah, we're gonna get the painting. Our paint of choice today is the Dupa Color Satin Silver Metallic for the Prelude. I think it's time, let's get to it. Hopefully it goes smooth. All this part. No joke. Cool. I can't believe I just did that to myself. Screw that. I'm just going by hand. Oh, I can't believe I just did that to myself. Coat number 1.
That's where I wanna go. I can take you to my land and shop at all the stores. The way that you're feeling me, you can get what you want. Coast to coast, big Birkin twerking. All this ice cream, shorty bad and feisty. Hit me on my line, please. You know I'm a star.
Coat number 1.
What you doing?
My goodness. How I look, y'all. I just beat myself in the hand, and I know I got myself in the face too. Hold on a second, I gotta go check myself. Well, you know what? Not too bad. Otherwise, I thought I beamed myself terribly in the face, but I only got a little bit. That's gonna be a pain to take off, especially on the glasses. Good thing I got another set. But I think it's time we put down that second coat. We've got pretty decent coverage so far already, which is good. It means we got plenty of paint left. Okay, so this is 2 coats through, and we got pretty nice coverage here. I don't even think I'll need to do a 3rd coat, which is nice. I can just go straight to clear, which means I can use the rest on the front and rear lip. Maybe in the middle I'll go 1 more coat and let it sit and dry. I think I'll do that right now. Just letting it sit for a second so I don't get any more runs. I only had 1 run, and that was down here somewhere, but seems not to be too bad. So, okay, so I was able to shoot the front and rear lip. Came out pretty well, I think. I think they came out pretty well. So I'm gonna let this sit here for a couple of hours and move into the shed. I already moved the side skirts into the shed. They were already dry to the touch. And hopefully next time you guys see them, we'll be putting them on the car. Hell yeah. I'm actually gonna cut this video here because there's still a whole bunch of stuff we still gotta do to the car. I'm trying to hopefully have it ready for the summer. Nice head turner. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. So if you would like, comment down below what's your favorite thing about this series so far, and see you in the next one. Peace. What's going on, y'all? Thank you guys for watching this episode in season 2 of the vlogs. Before you get gone, we got new merch on our Amazon shop. We have hoodies, we got t-shirts, we got everything you can think of on there. Go and take a look at it. Links down below. We also dropping music constantly. And when you see it, it's also going to be on the channel. You can also see it on Spotify, Apple Music, everywhere you think of. Anything with DSPs, bruh. And thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace. Drop the Addy, I send you the keys, got me as a screen in your phone. I don't got time for the back and forth. Look, girl, I got money to make. By the time I'm finished here, they gon' mortalize me in my city like Tay. Call me when you see me.